Great picture quality. Very crisp and clear monitor. I am selling on Quikr. It is 9 months old. I have 2 of these monitors, both ordered from Amazon. The monitor is a great for work, but it is not as good for watching movies. When you have dark moments while watching a movie, the whiteness from the sides of monitor is clearly visible. Some people may find it annoying. Other than that, it's a Having worked with multiple monitors for quite a long in my office, I really got used to work multiple monitors setup. I always felt incomplete while doing my personal stuffs without an additional screen. So I did my research and decided to buy this. Kept this in my wish list for about 2 months and ordered during October 2018 sales at 6,400 after all discounts. The monitor is really nice looking, sharp colors and picture quality, and energy efficient. Comes with both VGA and HDMI cable. I do really like it, but if you are looking for a gaming monitor, you would probably want a monitor with comparatively lesser refresh rate. Although, I do not feel any issue while general gaming. The price factor asterisk 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 I purchased this beautiful monitor from HPS India shopping portal. The MRP on Amazon India is highly inflated. Not sure if seller have an older stock which might have MRP of 13,999 Indian rupees. Thanks to the reviewers who earlier mentioned in their review on the MRP. Actual MRP of the product is 9,698 Indian rupees per, as printed on the package box. So the fact is, a customer is actually not getting much discount as it displays on the Amazon site. I also sent an email to Amazon customer service before deciding to purchase from HP shopping portal pointing out the MRP difference, but I did not receive any response. Price around 5K 9K is perfect for the monitor. The design and performance asterisk 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 asterisk. The sleek design will leave you awe stuck for some moment. The design is very elegant, thin bezel, two-tone colors, black display panel and silver panel at bottom, and the beautifully designed stand just accentuate the classy feeling. When the monitor is switched off, it feels there is no bezel and the display panel is floating. The monitor display panel is ultra thin. I would give 5 asterisk for the design. The performance asterisk 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 asterisk. My usage is very limited, mostly related to my work, that is coding and some time retouching photos. I am not a power user of the monitor for watching movies or playing games. So, I will not be able to dissect the monitor's actual performance and ability. However, I played Avatar in 1080p HD movie and it was crisp and vibrant. I did not notice any lines for frames refresh. The monitor is IPS LED monitor, LED backlit, LCD display, plug and play, and comes with a CD for installing custom software, 1 HDMI cable, 1 VGA cable, 1 power cord, instruction manual and warranty card. The verdict asterisk 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 5 asterisk 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 for the monitor, 1 asterisk to the seller and Amazon India portal. I liked everything about it. Its design, picture quality, price, all of its features fitted best my need. I have just one issue and it's with the packaging. By looking at the product, I almost assumed that the product is damaged. But luckily everything was fine. Good quality product with true IPS result. Click link in description for more reviews.